Hi everyone, I'm Simon, and with me is Jen, and we will be going on OrchART trail and exploring 3 hotspots.
Hi everyone, so today we're at Botanic Gardens and we'll be going to
Business. I'll be meeting our friends Andy and SF.
Yay!
We entered through the tunneling gate and on our way to Bee's Knees, we enjoyed the cool breeze in Singapore's first UNESCO World Heritage Site. Check out all the chickens we saw roaming around the compound.
Come here for nice photos. Yummy yummy, we're so excited!
What?
Bee's Knees has a wide variety of foods, with various dishes to cater to your dietary needs. We really enjoyed the refreshing taste of the drinks, as well as the delectable pasta and pizzas. Check out how Insta-worthy our picnic looks.
Okay, let's dig in!
Yay!
Thank you for watching. If you like our video, do check out our 2 other videos on the same page.